Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the pose pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose 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 with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose pose with the fans. Pose with the fans.
Hi guys, we are Group 1 and today we are going to talk about the connections between chemistry and coding.
Data analysis and simulation in chemistry. This is used in computer tools to process experimental data and model chemical systems. Coding helps analyze results accurately while understanding of chemical behaviors without always doing real experiments. Mahalaga ang paggamit ng coding upang mabilis na matumpak at masuri ang data na ito. Sa pamamagitan naman ng computer simulation, magagawang i-model at mahulaan ng mga chemist ang mga chemical reaction kahit hindi aktwal na ginagawa ang eksperimento. Pinagsama ang pagsusuri ng data at simulation ay tumutulong sa mga chemist na maunawaan, mahulaan at mapuhusay ang pag-uugali ng mga chemical na mas efficient na paraan. In modern chemistry, maraming data ang nalilikha tulad ng spectra, chromatogram at reaction yields.
Simulations, example, molecular dynamics, quantum chemistry calculations are coded to model how molecules behave without always doing physical experiments. Example, using Python to simulate reaction kinetics or to calculate molecular orbitals. Ibig sabihin nito, may mga simulasyon like molecular dynamics at quantum chemistry calculations na parang ginagaya lang kung paano kumilos sa mga molecule na hindi kailangan mag-eksperimento. Halimbawa, ginagamit ang Python para simulan ang reaction kinetics or para kalkulahin ang molecular orbitals. Halimbawa, pwede kang gumamit ng Python para mag-simulate ng mga molecules at tignan kung paano sila kumikilos, kalkulahin ang molecular orbitals at energy levels ng mga molekula, pag-aralan ng mga reaction kinetics at mekanismo ng mga chemical na reaction. Ang mga simulasyon na ito ay makakatulong sa mga siyentipiko na mas maunawaan ang mga chemical na proseso at mag-develop ng mga bagong materyales at teknolohiya.
In real-life example, in making syrup powder or detergent, chemists use coding and simulations to study how different ingredients like surfactants and enzyme work together to remove stains. They simulate water flow, mixing, and temperature effect to find the most effective cleaning formula. Coding helps analyze cleaning performance under different conditions and controls factory processes in making production more efficient. So sabi nga po dito, ginagamit ang data analysis at simulation sa paggawa ng syrup powder o ng detergent. Sa tulong ng coding, tinutukoy ng mga chemist kung alin ang pinakamabisang sangkap at kung paano ito kumikilos sa tubig at sa tela. Dahil dito, mas napapaganda at napapabilis ang paggawa at pagdokumento ng bawat produkto.
Did you know? Chemists can now run experiments inside a computer before touching a single test tube. Through coding and simulations, they can predict how molecules will react, test thousands of combinations in seconds, and even design better detergents, like finding the perfect formula to remove chocolate stains from your shirt.
Laboratory automation and IoT. Modern smart labs rely on coding to connect instruments and automate workflows. To apply this, we can use Arduino, Raspberry Pi integration, monitor pH, temperature, or reaction progress. Automated titration system or colorimetric analysis using sensor and Python. Lab robots programmed to mix reagents or run reaction autonomously. The connection between IoT and laboratory automation in our research is that it relies on coding and it makes workflows easier. Another example, a smart chemistry lab uses an IoT-enabled chemical reactor monitored by a Raspberry Pi connected to a DS18B20 temperature sensor. The Pi runs a Python script that logs temperature data every second, updates a database, and sends real-time data to a cloud server via MQTT.
A real-life example is a smart thermostat in home. It uses sensors to read the room temperature and a connected app or its own programming automatically. Adjust your home's heating or cooling to maintain a set temperature, often learning your habits to optimize comfort and energy efficiency. When the temperature is it gets high or low, the system change automatically to its normal temperature. Ginagamit ito para ma-detect kung gaano kataas ang temperatura sa isang room. Nakakonekta ito sa isang app para otomatikong maiba at manatiling ang tamang lamig o init sa isang silid.
At the LSU Research Center, chemistry students are testing an IoT-based reactor for studying exothermic reactions. During one experiment, the system detected a sudden temperature spike due to a faster than expected reaction. Instantly, the Raspberry Pi sent an alert to the researcher's phone and automatically reduced heater power to stabilize the system. This quick automated response prevented overheating and ensured the experiment continued safely, demonstrating how IoT and coding that can make modern laboratories smarter, safer, and more efficient.
Did you know that some modern research labs can talk to scientists through the internet? Thanks to IoT and coding, lab equipments like sensors and reactors can send real-time updates, trigger alarms, or even adjust experiments on their own, kind of like having a mini robot assistant who never sleeps.
Coding and website development have become essential in modern chemistry, enabling researchers to analyze data, share results, and create accessible platforms for scientific collaboration. Through website development, chemists can build online chemical databases such as PubChem and ChemSpider, which allow users to instantly research for information on chemical compounds, molecular structure, and properties. This tool make chemical information available to everyone, from student to professional researcher, enhancing the speed and accuracy of chemical studies. Sa panahon ngayon, malaki na talaga ang natutulong ng coding and web development sa chemistry. Dahil sa technology natin ngayon, mas napapabilis ang paghahanap ng research at pag-share ng information sa chemistry.
Halimbawa, dati kung gusto mong malaman yung mga properties ng isang compound, kailangan mo pang maghanap sa mga makapal na chemistry book o research journal. Pero ngayon, dahil sa mga online databases tulad ng PubChem at ChemSpider, ay napapabilis. Isang click mo lang ay makikita mo agad ang mga molecular structure formula at iba pang mga impormasyon. At alam mo ba na hindi lang scientists ang natutulungan nito, pati rin ang mga estudyante na gumagawa ng research sa laboratory report.
Real life scenario. Yung isang grupong chemist ay gumagawa ng bagong gamot gamit ang coding ng mga online tools. Kaya nilang gumawa ng website kung saan lahat sila o lahat ng member ay pwedeng mag-upload ng experimental data graphs. At result kahit na magkakalayo sila. Dahil dito, mas napapabilis ang mga discovery ng mga bagong compound ng gamot.
Coding helps a lot in discovery and development. Kasi parang assistant na siya ng mga scientists. Instead of doing everything by hand, ginagamit nila ang computer para mas mapabilis at mas mapadali ang kanilang mga trabaho.
Sa COVID-19, ginamit ng mga scientists ang coding para mabilis nilang makita kung anong molecules ang pwedeng laban sa virus. So with coding, mas mabilis, mas mura, at mas safe ang paggawa ng gamot bago pa ito subukan sa totoong tao.
In chemistry, coding has a significant role because instead of just seeing simple drawings on paper, molecules and the periodic tables can now be turned into interactive 2D and 3D models. This means we can rotate, zoom in, and explore them to better understand their shapes, band angles, and the properties of different substances. Sa paglipas ng panahon at sa paglawak ng ating teknolohiya, marami na itong naitulong sa ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay, gaya na lamang ng pagko-code or coding. Sa chemistry, malaki na ang naitulong nito. Dahil noon, simpleng drawing lang sa papel makikita ang molecule sa top periodic tables. Pero ngayon, isang click lang sa mga website, mas maayos, mas napadali at mas malinaw mo nang maintindihan ang hugis, band angles at properties ng mga substances. For instance, gamit ang MolView, makikita na ang water molecule or H2O ay pabisi pala at hindi lamang pala ito simpleng HOH na guhit.
Did you know a video game called Space Chem lets players code chemical factories to build molecules using robotic waddles? It's part puzzle, part chemistry, and a cool way people use programming logic to model real chemical processes. In computer, coding is a process of writing instructions or code in a programming language for a computer to understand and execute, thereby creating software, applications, and websites. It is essentially a way to communicate with a computer, translating human-readable algorithms and designs into a language the machine can process to perform a specific task or solve problems. And remember, who needs a Bunsen burner when you've got a python on fire? That's it. Thanks for watching.